This video provides an overview of the activities required to prepare for and complete the installation of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. Let's begin. In this video, we'll learn about the single appliance prerequisites for zLinux that must be met before installing CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. Let's turn to a network administrator who can tell us more about the port requirements.
CCS microservices that deliver data from the mainframe to the appliance use ports 61616, 7160, and 7161. The CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence appliances use port 61480 for HTTP and 61443 for HTTPS. The CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence Appliance Controller uses ports 61980 for HTTP and 61983 for HTTPS. And CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence Reporting and Dashboarding use ports 61340 for HTTP and 61341 for HTTPS. Regarding encryption, we recommend adding an extra layer of security by using TLS with certificates to encrypt the traffic that flows from the message service on the mainframe to your appliance. Talk to your security administrator to learn about the requirements for your site. If you decide to encrypt this traffic, the encryption occurs after the installation is complete. Certificates are created during the install and copied for TLS. Verify the Z-System hardware that you're running with one of your system operators. If running Z14 or greater and you're planning to install under ZVM, see the product documentation for guidance.
Finally, work with your storage administrator to verify that the mainframe DASD volumes are formatted so you can add them to the appliance. You'll need these later.
This wraps up our discussion of the single appliance prerequisites for zLinux that must be met before installing CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. For more information about CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, visit www.broadcom.com and review the product documentation, support, or communities.